What is up, guys? Let's get right into this. Alright, market opens up in just a little bit over a minute, yeah. Alright, market's moving very fast here. Alright, we're gonna try and hit our goal. Yeah, it looks like that was a opportunity for, actually, that was right at market open. Almost impossible to see that, and this is not a great place to enter. Right in those highs. Those two-legged moves not always the best. So, wait for our opportunity and yeah. That was a complete guess, to be honest. I wasn't really thinking too much. I was thinking that most people would have tried to go long there, so I just tried to step them out. That's why I went short, but probably should have went I thought I was gonna do like a one ticker and keep going. Double tap. Yeah, that's kind of what we were looking for. We should have probably entered at that EMA. Getting really close to this VWAP here. I think we're not close enough to it. I think people might be actually trying to go long here. I'm gonna probably try and exit near this VWAP. I'm gonna minimize once we get over there. I think I should have exited at the VWAP. Or I exited right below this bar. Yeah, I should have exited at the VWAP. That would have been a nice scalp. I got scared. Why did I get so scared? Sheesh. Never usually do that. We went short here because we just wanted to come back to the VWAP, and I think people were a little bit too early going long. I think people just knew there would be a bounce there. Actually, I want to buy here. I think people who went short are holding on to their position, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, should have one tickered. Damn it, Hamat. Always one ticker. Two-legged move. I think too many. Yeah, I think too many people are gonna try to go long here. Just want to. Damn it. That was a nice two pullback. The too many people going long was here, and yeah, then it pulled back there. So we should have went long there, especially after that long. Nice push. It occurred to me at the last second as I placed the order. That's so sad. Jesus, wait, what are we doing with our lives? That's supposed to be a buy. I'm not sure what I'm doing, to be honest. We're just basically guessing. My brain's not really in it. It's weird because you're watching this thinking you got it next time, and trust me, you do not. Because right now, it's always about past Nick doesn't know what he's doing, but current Nick knows what he does. But honestly, that's never gonna be the case where President Nick knows better than well, obviously I'm not in some cases, but I'm gonna buy here because it's just gonna skyrocket. It's not gonna give anybody a second entry here. But it's just constant cycle of, oh, past Nick doesn't know what he's doing, I know what I'm doing, and that's why you get confident and get negative 36 right off the bat. It's a constant cycle. It's a silly one too, because that's already our bottom frag. There's nothing we can do now. Yeah. We absolutely bottom fragged right off the bat. We just kept on selling against the market, thinking we were trapping traders who were going long. But obviously everybody was going short. And we just couldn't get that through our minds, apparently. And yeah. Our only winner out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So it's definitely nowhere 50%, nowhere near 50%. The strategy, so-called strategy that we had. If you just bought every single EMA, we would have had an insane goal today. But we're not even using the EMAs for some reason. We probably should be, but we're just. I have no idea how to use it or implement it at this point. I think at the start we did, like we had an idea of what we wanted to do with the EMAs, but of course we should get stopped out here just based on statistics. Like every time we take a trade, it's a near 90% win loss rate, so 10% win rate. So this hypothetically should lose out. But nonetheless, we have to figure out a way to use the EMAs. This one hasn't really been tested all that much, so there's a reason it could fail right there. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. Well, the reason we bought there was pretty simple after I came to the realization of what this market is. It's actually a very interesting market. So what we have is every time we pushed out in this direction out of these highs, we pulled back heavily. That's because everybody tried to go long, and people are essentially trying to play the trend instead of the range. And up until a certain point, here they try to play the range. It's weird, but essentially the reason you get this pattern is people are trying to push the market out in that direction. And once we broke below these lows, we people were going to start pushing the market back in this direction. So yeah, to some extent. I feel like here might have been people were trying to play the range the entire time. And see, as we broke above there, above that high, people try to go along in that direction. And that's what pulled it back significantly after that. To like, yeah. That was a lucky trade there to be up 60. We're most likely gonna bottom frag again anyway. Get like negative 50 again, which would be minus $110, which is actually pretty easy for us to do. To get that many losers. A few. Actually, now that I think about it, people are playing the range, not the trend. Because playing the range here means pushing the market back down to the other side since there's absolutely no support. Playing the range is continuously shorting here. So people were playing the range, which is why this is actually a trending day and why it's trending here. So very interesting. Now that I think about it, I thought people were just continuously playing the trend, but here they're playing the range, and especially since it's so obvious that you have these highs here. It's very interesting. And these highs as well. So all that resistance really made people believe we were going to push back to the other side, which really created this trend here. Interesting. Alright. I've been writing down like my losses and stuff. So this was breaking important highs and lows, makes people want to continue the trend, but this was basically the same thing but in range. I wonder if people are still playing the range here. If they are, that means this is going to be a buy. Right after the that hasn't always been the case though. This is probably a sell, to be honest. We'll go for a tiny scalp, maybe back to the EMA. Unless people are trapped here. You know what, we'll just trail. Just minimize. Okay, good minimization though. Okay, Google, play next song. Unless we got to swing off for Sentry. So here in this case, I think we should sell, but in this case, I can't help but notice the trap traders here. Went long. Oh, I could possibly enter this. No, let's stick to the fairness of this. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 ticks. Yeah, we should have got stopped out actually. I just want to stop these guys out, so as soon as it pops up, we're just gonna. Okay, that is not exactly what I wanted to do, but nice little pointer there. Jesus. Should have held on to that. Alright. Let's see. Kind of want to buy here. Just for a little tiny scalp. Perhaps to just stop out these guys who just went short. Wow, I'm actually surprised it didn't work. Actually, genuinely surprised. In that case, that means traders either that was just unlucky, that this actually should work out, or just the fact that it pushed down a little bit too far. Yeah, I pushed down a little bit too far for us. That's why we used to enter 4-point entries. I think when you have these 1 ticker moves and you do a 1 ticker, because there's no way we would have got this in massive scalp with the 1 ticker here. But if you get moves that are a little bit more than 1 ticker, more than 1 tick, then I think our traditional 4-point entry should be okay. Because here it's obviously okay, and we would have got that scalp beautifully. Exactly what we were looking for too. Yes. Also, we know for a fact that a ton of people are also going to be taking profits on that two-legged move. A ton of people are going to be selling here as well, which could push the market down a little bit, but instantly just have it reverse on them. So with that understanding, the amount of people that will enter and the amount of people that might take profit, we should be able to enter a little bit further out than just one tick, maybe. And as you can see, we're already heading back to the negative side. Wasn't too long before it started happening. So, yep. Oh, let's take a position here. Why not? Let's go for a sell. Super random sell. Yeah, definitely not our strategy or anything, but we would have sold here anyway. I thought for sure that people were going to try to go long, but people are trying to play the range and go back over here. Yeah, so we were right about that buy, but just 1 tick was not it. Alright, we're gonna start taking these crappy setups. That was a crappy entry. What? Hold up, this should work. Wow, I'm actually impressed that this didn't work out. That's actually shocking to me. That I thought for sure it would break above here. It should, like... Wow, I'm actually genuinely shocked. Because if... Oh, wow. That's so interesting. Yeah, we should be getting stopped out now. Yeah, this is taking a little bit too long. Should have pushed out there by now. It looks like way too many people are buying now, and this is gonna instantly reverse on us. Wow. Wow. I'm shocked on that one, to be honest. Wow. Oh. I wanted to stop us out first. Makes sense. Yeah, bad congestion, bad trade, bad setup. Bam equals bad trade. At this point, we should just go against what we think. But this is super choppy. There's nothing we can do here. It kind of sucks we missed the entire move, though. Actually, hold up. Was there slippage? There was definitely slippage, but let's see how would we have gotten it if we didn't get the slippage. Just measure. Here to here is 2.75. And here to here. 3. Ooh, no, we would have got set that either way. By 1 tick. By 1 tick. Freaking 1 tick. Alright. We have to get this right. Ugh. God damn it, brother. Now I'm realizing there are no second entries in this entire market that actually work out. Well, work out good. Wow. Okay. And once again, we're negative. I'm not even sure what to do because this last trade absolutely confused me. I guess we'll take this. Oh wow, it's already gone. Swing high first entry. Looks like traders tried to go short, and that's what pushed the market here. Here, traders tried to go long. So it looks like traders are no longer trading the range and are instead just continuously trying to push the market out in either direction. But now I think people are starting to notice this like closing triangle sort of thing, so this could not work out anymore. Okay. Are we going against it? Because second entries just usually don't work. Or not working out on this day. So that's the only reason we're selling there. We could possibly try to go for a big scalp. Don't know how far this is gonna push. Hopefully it's all the way down. NT. Just gonna go against this second entry, maybe on like a 4-point entry sort of thing. Seems like people are really relying on the second entry, especially if this one works out in our favor. Ooh. That's why we did our 4-point entry, but it probably won't matter. I think we're gonna get stopped out here. Yep. Okay, congratulations on your second entry, brothers. That's the first one that worked out all day for you guys, which is absolutely insane. And this should be a buy on the 1 ticker. Whoa, another second entry that works out for them? No way. That's crazy. Yeah, we are definitely not. No, we're never gonna be ready to day trade. I don't think we're gonna be day trading live for the next 3 years. I hope, because I don't want to believe that we're ready and risk real money, you know, like we've done in the past. I'm just tired of it. It's so annoying. Yeah, essentially we're just going all against all second entries here. No real tactic, because obviously our tactics don't work. It's the only consistent pattern we have is going against these second entries, but now it seems like all of them are working at this point, which is insane. Like at first, no second entry was working. Actually, some did, but yeah. So first entry, gonna go against this one as well on a 1 ticker. Because this pattern is actually much more efficient and much more, effective. Has a higher percent of win rate than what we're doing right now. So even though we lost 3 times in a row, our strategy will lost 10 times in a row. So I'm okay with all this just not working. No. Let's see. Oh wow, it worked out for them. Okay. The main reason why it's not working out, I feel like, is because we're in this like closing triangle. People are trying to break it out in both directions, which is why our second entries are not working, because it comes this way. People want to break it this way, it comes that way. People want to break it that way. It's, yeah. But we're just gonna keep relying on this no second entry sort of thing. Probably doesn't matter if we minimize. We're probably gonna stop that 100 times. Man, we're about to hit our bottom frag 2 times in a row. It's impossible to hit our goal with this strat, dude. Most second entries are working out, so might as well. Nah. Screw your second entries. It has been coming up more than a tick though. Or maybe like a 3-point entry or something. Ah! Alright, we absolutely don't have a strategy. I don't understand what we're doing right now. I thought for sure we had something. I mean, I felt like we did up until like a certain point, until we went negative again, you know? Like, this should not be happening. I don't know, dude. I guess it's just me. I guess people tried to go long here. Let's go for a sell. That would have been a huge, massive sell as well. Like, actually, you would have got all the way down to here if we just sold right there, but of course we didn't. Let's see why we didn't. I thought for sure people were going to play the range, and that was our biggest downfall. So, a big note is that it has to bring important highs. Still make people trade trend, but it's for the right context. Once the range is absolutely broken, traders may just try to trade the trend even after breaking back into the range. In this case, as you can see, we're pulling back into that range sorta, and I thought people were trying to go short, but just going long, and bada bing bada boom. And then here looks like we went for a buy, which was kind of correct, but we just got chopped up in all this messiness here. And then this, let's see, went for a buy. Why did we go for a buy? Traders were going to try to trade back here, but they were just trading with a trend, and which is back up to the highs, and so you go for that sell. Go for a buy, since we started to push down in this direction. It's actually pretty simple because people are just trying to trade the trend and trying to trade back to the highs, or yeah, the trend. Precisely. I think this should be a buy. Unless it hates second entries, and this day just hates second entries though. So I have no idea. Let's see what we can scalp out here. Maybe back to an EMA. Might have just broke above those highs, and that's it. Yep. So in this case, yeah, I just wanted to stop them. People are just chasing this. Second entries they don't like. So this might be one of those situations. Maybe it works out though. Who knows? Yeah, our strategy is a buy since it's bouncing off that WAP. But for how much though? Back to an EMA? It's not enough for us, you know? NT. Do. Beep, beep, beep. Oh? Okay, I'll take it. I'll take a little scalp. A little scalpy scalp. Yeah, today doesn't seem like we're gonna get any. Let's say we won't get any massive moves, but it looks like we're getting huge moves. I'll just get $50 again and then back to negative. Jesus, how are we? Why do we still do this day trading thing? We're so bad at things. We just get lucky 1 out of like 10 times and think we're day traders. Sheesh. Actually, we're down here, brother. Alright, whoa, okay, I'll take it. We take toes, we take toes. Probably scap out at that. Yeah, man, that's a lot of points. From here to here. How many is that? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. A lot. Enough to break even. But we are trailing. Hopes for a better day. Better days are coming. Not today. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Oh my god, I didn't even have time to scalp out there. I tried to move my stop, but it just went too fast. Well, I guess we stopped out there. Empty. Was it a good scalp? Our other stop. Oh, it was a good scalp. Okay, well. We bottom fragged it. A huge scalp. Bottom frag, huge scalp. Bottom frag, huge scalp. So we went for a buy just because of the VWAP. We can imagine a lot of traders trying to go long here, actually. Yeah. I think they're playing the range again. No, they're playing the trend. They're done with the range, right? Unless this became super like whatchamacallit. And we're just gonna scalp at the bottom of this thing. For the record of myself. What? Are you serious? No way. Try again. Eh. Wow, okay. And just like that, we're already about 1 or 2 trades away from being negative again. I'm shocked. People are playing the range again. People are going short. So that means we gotta go for a buy, brother. I think it needs to push down. I'm gonna do one through. South. Let's not scalp at the high here. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Maybe at this high. No, we need to scalp out there. Actually, might get a bigger scalp here. No way, dude. No way. Okay, that's all we wanted. Just scalp out at the eye. Right back at that EMA. Interesting. And the reason we scalped out at that high is just due to the fact it's a range and people are gonna try and break out the range consistently. So we can imagine a ton of people trying to go long there, and it's very unlikely it's gonna skyrocket out of here. So that's why we just scalped that right at that high. And the reason we knew it was gonna work out is because people are just trying to play the range. We got that confirmed right here, where people were not for sure we're gonna continue this, but people saw this like range here, saw that we were getting close to it, and we got stopped out trying to short against the range, but everybody was also going short, so that means they're also playing the range here. And that's why we went for that buy. Okay, we got a second entry here, kind of congested, not a very good one, but I think this one actually might be a buy due to the fact that people might be trapped. So why is it moving up? That means people are shorting still. So we want to go for a buy here. The market keeps pushing up because people are continuously shorting here, right off that EMA. Okay, probably just a little bit of a scalp here. Few points. Hopefully we can do at least 8. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, minimize. Just give me like... That's good enough scalp for me. Wow, I didn't think it would take off like that. I'm hoping it pushes down at least back to here right now, because that means our stop is exactly where it basically needed to be. 1 tick off. We'll see. Please don't go up. I don't want to miss out. Oh, I missed out. Oh, we did it. Nice. So exactly pretty much where we would have scalped out. 1 tick off. Kind of a double top. So you guys a swing high first entry. No, we'll just wait for the 2-legged move. It may not give us one. I feel like it's gonna just take off here. So there's also like this high up here. People could still very well be going short here. Gonna wait for the 2-legged move. That would be a nice confirmation to go long. And as we predicted, skyrocket on out of here. Usually second entries don't work out, especially off of this EMA, but we're hard-headed. And see. So there's a huge pullback, means people are trying to go long again and break out of here, meaning this was like some sort of high that people saw, tested multiple times, and people were just trying to trade on out of here. And that's what really pulled this market back. Okay, swing low first entry. Gonna go for a sell. So we got a huge push here, which means traders tried to trade in the downside, but now we're pushing up here and broke above this high, which means traders should be going long here. The only thing I'm missing or not understanding is where is their opportunity to enter, or just, they must just randomly be buying kind of like off EMAs and stuff like that. That's the only thing I can't wrap my mind around, is where are they entering? Are they just slapping the buy button to break above those highs? Like, it's the only thing that is confusing me about this. These traders could be trapped in the highs. Everybody who went short, but I don't think they're trading the trend. And they definitely are. That's why I wanted to go against all second entries, because it just seems like none of them work out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm done. I gotta go. Valentine's Day and stuff, so gotta go buy some flowers. I'd love to buy her a house and a ring, but I cannot because I don't know how to do this day trading thing. And I don't know how to save money, so I have to figure this out sooner. Probably will never, for being quite honest, but hey man. So it looks like most traders are still going long. We just got stopped out by a few ticks there, unfortunately. We just could not hold on. Yeah, just thinking. Take one last trade, and then we're out of here. And I don't need an all second entries don't work out, but it is what it is. I don't understand why we even minimize. What are we going for? Back to the EMA? Let's go back to these highs because I think a lot of people shorted. Alright. I'm gonna go get ready. Thanks for watching, brothers and sisters, cousins, whoever's watching this in the future. Peace out. Okay. Might bounce here. Alright. Not too bad. We're in the green. Could have been worse, right? Probably break even after fees. Or still bottom frag after fees, I should say. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Let's see exactly how much fees are. Oh god, here we go. So we took exactly 20... 150... Oh, wait. I would be surprised if it was 150. 33. Ooh, okay. So 33 times. Ooh, so definitely down for money. $11. Not too bad, actually. Could be worse. Thanks for watching. Peace out.